Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light on a 2014 Honda Odyssey. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link in the description and head on over to 1aauto.com. So now we're going to reset our oil maintenance light on our Odyssey. So it's a push button style. Make sure you don't put your foot on the brake because we don't want to start it. We want to get it in the ignition mode, which is number 2 setting. So I'm going to hit it twice. And all the lights on the dash should come on, just like that. Then I'm going to hit my cell reset until I see my oil light come up. And then I can use these arrows to find the oil service for the oil light. Get to service B1 and the mileage flashes. And then you're going to hold the reset button down and it should say 100%. There we go, reset, yes. And there you have it. That should work. So take your ignition switch and turn it off. And now we can start the car. Oil life is preset to 100%.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.